What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a BMR custom painted strut bar color match to the beautiful Hyper Blue Metallic 1LE. Now, also, we have some things in store for this weekend I want to go over with you guys, so definitely wait till the end of the video to hear about it. It's going to be awesome coming to the channel just this weekend. So without further ado, let's start this video and install that strut bar. So I already started loosening these bolts right over here to the strut tower. Getting them all off right here. I'm gonna get that side and that side loose. Got my father in the video over here in his Mustang. Say hello.
Hello. What's up?
Always cleaning that damn car. And we're gonna get it mounted in just a second. Real quick, guys, the stuff you're gonna need for this installation is a torque wrench cranked to 35 pound-feet of torque. You're gonna need a 13mm socket, a 14mm socket, and an open-end wrench, and the provided hardware given to you in your package. Let's get to it. So you want to be very careful. You have the e-brake on and it's in gear. God forbid something doesn't move. That way everything's all in place. Now you're still going to be using the same 13mm socket. They gave you provided hardware and spacers. So it's really just laying it on and putting it on, and that's about it. So let's lay it on the car. Insert the spacers under the bar. You're going to want to put the bar in place. We're going to put these spacers right under here, and then I kind of just put a screw on each side to hold the bar down, and then I'll put the rest in, ratchet them on, and then you have to use a 14mm socket to tighten this here, and you're good to go. I'm going to get these hand tight, and then you got to use your torque wrench and crank it down 35 pound-feet of torque, and we're good. Alright, y'all, so coincidentally I had ordered a sticker, if you want to call it, a vinyl sticker for the strut bar, because I deleted the BMR logo and I had a little surprise for you that I wanted to show you, changing the aesthetics of the strut bar completely. I had it custom painted, color matched to the car, but I also had a little detail I'm showing you right now. I'm just going to pull this girl out of here, and then I'm going to show you in the sunlight so you can really see the full effect of the strut bar. So, let's do it. And guys, while I pulled her out, I decided why not show you the full side view of those beautiful side skirts. Thank you to my friends at Pro Quality Collision. It looks dope. See if we can get a little view. They match my splitter exactly. Sorry for the shaky camera. Okay, let's check out this strut bar. All right, y'all ready? Here she is. Bam. See, we got the little vinyl 1LE badge right there in the center, replacing the BMR logo, even though it was painted over. Sorry about that, BMR. But damn, look at that. Mounted perfectly and totally aesthetically appeasing to the eye. This thing looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm just really pleased with how this car came out. Some people have told me to change the wheels. Honestly, guys, I am obsessed with these wheels since the day I bought this car. I mean, looking at Camaros, honestly, I always told myself, had I bought a 1LE, I probably would not even touch the wheels, just because they're so concave and they're so, like, beautiful. I just love them. But aesthetically, I think it's done, and I think it's time for the real performance. I think it's time for the heads, cam. The only other thing I would do aesthetically was do an interior mod, which is a kind of like a roll bar to color match the car as well. I've been getting some talk about that too from my girlfriend's father, so that might be in the near future. But yeah, she is looking beautiful. So guys, what's happening this weekend? We are going to an event called Wanna Go Fast. It's going to be absolutely awesome. We got some buddies going too. We're taking the Camaro and the Corvette, and it's going to see what it can do in a half mile. It's just going to be awesome. That's all I can really say. What are your guesses? What do you think it's going to do? My guess is about $140, to be honest. I don't think it's going to obviously do in 190, 180. It's nearly impossible, but you know, basically bone stock with some bolt-ons and a tune and E85, I think we'll hit about 140. It's a pretty good half mile for what it is, and who knows, maybe next year when we go, or the 6 months, I think they have another one, when we have more mods on the car, maybe like heads and cam and stuff like that, we can definitely see what kind of results we have. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video, at the Wanna Go Fast video, we're going to be doing something interesting. So a lot of people talk about the wicker bills and how it affects the a lot of downforce and affects your top speed, stuff like that. So with the Camaro and the Corvette both having wicker bills on them, we're going to race our first race with them on. We're then going to take them off and see maybe if it improves or not. See, it's interesting to see and test it out and maybe do some other stuff to kind of see if it'll help increase our speed. I do want to end this video right here and just thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Again, check out Gearheads Apparel, guys. 25% off if you use the code CARGUY20, all capital letters. We got some cool merch. This is our long sleeve shirt. As you can see, it is very cold out in South Florida today. It's like 50 something degrees, so definitely in need for these. Or the hoodie, got the nice little logo on the back. See what I was talking about when I said we got big logos. So pick up your merch, guys. It's out there, it's ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to showing you what's going on this weekend. And have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.